Do you want to activate your Meena VPN through C3Pay? Follow these simple steps. First, open your C3Pay app and tap on Meena VPN. Next, click Get VPN Coupon. Then tap Subscribe. A fee of 3 dirham plus VAT will be charged from your C3Pay account. Once subscribed, click Activate Now. Your coupon code will be generated. Tap Copy Code to save it. Now, click Open Meena VPN app. If you don't have the Meena VPN app installed, you'll be redirected to the Play Store. Tap Install. After installation is complete, tap Open. On the welcome screen, click Continue. You'll see a pop-up message. Simply close it using the X button in the top right corner. Next, tap the 3-dot menu located in the bottom right corner of the app. Select Redeem Code. Then tap Enter Code. Paste the coupon code you copied from C3Pay into the Enter Code field and click Validate. That's it. Your Meena VPN has been successfully activated and is now ready to use. Enjoy secure and private browsing with Meena VPN, available through C3Pay for just 3 dirhams per month plus VAT.